So today I just got sworn in as a councillor in the city of Cape Town, but this is what I want to say. This was not allowed to be broadcasted live. For some reason, the speaker said, no, we are not going to do a live stream. You can take your photos after. But many other councillors have been sworn in on a live stream before, which I find very strange, and it tells me something. But I want to say this. They will never, ever silence us again, because our fight has started. Today, I'm getting sworn in as a councillor, but in less than 365 days, I will be sworn in as the mayor of this city and the first born-free post-apartheid mayor of a metro in South Africa's history. And we are going to do that together, because we are going to fight for a more affordable Cape Town. We're going to solve Cape Town's housing crisis, and we're going to make sure that Cape Town is safer, not by criminalizing, not by over-policing our communities, but by healing our communities. And we're going to make sure that Cape Town is going to be a Cape Town, not just for some of us, not for those of us on one side of the mountain and the other side of the mountain. It is going to be a Cape Town for all of us.